big cyber news this year is the release of artificial intelligence apps that allow users to express their thoughts, and presto changeo, the results are an image or a design or written words that reflect their desires. Whether these apps are true artificial intelligence is a subject for a different video, but it is clear where all of this is going. I worry that artificial intelligence apps will be used in the same mindless way as social media apps. I worry that AI for architecture may result in a world of architectural lies manufactured by algorithm feedback loops that distort reality. I worry about these things like I don't have anything better to worry about. Will AI create a dystopian future because a bad idea gets a stranglehold on the algorithm? The question is, will AI kill architecture? Let's start with a little history. In 1957, Jorn Utzon won the competition to design the Sydney Opera House, now a World Heritage Site. Architect Frank Gehry said of Utzon's design, he made a building well ahead of its time, far ahead of available technology. Each shell of the Sydney Opera House is different height, different curvature, different dimensions. With no computers available, design and construction in 1957 was extremely complex, time-consuming, and difficult. Today, things are much different. Computers are indispensable for the design, engineering, and construction of complex buildings. And computers combined with 3D printers are already producing mass housing at a lower cost. But now, AI has entered the picture. AI works by searching existing data on the internet and on your personal computer to arrive at a solution to a problem. This reminds me of the market studies presented to me when I used to work on production housing for developers. A market study uses data from surveys, focus groups, and statistical analyses to create a program for the kind of homes people will buy. From that information, the architect is expected to create a housing product to meet the needs of the market. The problem is, this does nothing to advance architecture. The recommendations of a market study are based on data about what has already happened. It does not encourage what might be or could be. AI is the same thing. AI is a feedback loop looking backward. And it gets worse. It is possible that AI can actually create a dystopian nightmare future if a bad idea gets a stranglehold on the algorithm. We love scary stories, and we know already that the internet is not necessarily the purveyor of truth. AI could hypnotize us into believing strange things, such as stolen elections, cannibals in pizza parlors, and perhaps strange but charismatic algorithms embedded with preposterous architectural lies. AI for architecture will be very powerful. Like all powerful things, it can be a useful tool for creative people, or it can be a tool for manipulation. Will AI kill architecture? I don't know. It's up to us to ensure that AI becomes a helpful servant and not an omnipotent master. We must choose between the two.